Naku, alas 9 na pala. Kailangan muna natin i-receive yung dividend natin na 19. Refresh muna. So may balance tayong 6,000 dito dividend. Ayun, i-receive natin yung dividend. Try natin. Okay na. Successfully receive weekly. I know. Another next week sa Lunes na naman. 19 6,000 refresh. Oh, 79. Yung mga device ko tumatakbo. Saan kaya yun? Oh, 10 minutes pa pala. 2 hours. Mamaya pa yan. Dito sa challenge, kung hindi ako magwi-withdraw mamaya, ito marireceive ko yung 5,000. Bukas ko to marireceive kasi hindi pa ako magwi-withdraw. Aba, medyo malaki na pala yung na-invest ko, 40,000. Yan yung challenge reward kanina, 1,000. Hindi kasi ako nag-withdraw eh. So yun lang, bye bye.